Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable autocorrect on your Windows laptop step by step. Autocorrect automatically fixes common spelling mistakes as you type, helping you write faster and more accurately. So let's get started. First, click the Start button. Next, open Settings. Then, click on Time and Language. Select Typing from the left menu. Now, scroll down to the Typing settings. Turn on Autocorrect misspelled words. You can also turn on Highlight misspelled words if you want Windows to show spelling mistakes as you type. Close the settings window. Windows will automatically correct supported spelling mistakes while you type. And that's it. You've successfully enabled autocorrect on your Windows laptop. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.